In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to navigate the WordPress media library. Today, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the WordPress media library. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Media, then click on Library. All your media files are stored here. You can click here to add new media files, and you can either drag and drop the files or select them. And this is the max file upload size. Next, here you can change how you want to view these files. So right now, the files are displayed with a big thumbnail to distinguish them better. You can click here to change the view to list. And now the files are displayed in a list. Next, you can click here to select which media files you want to see. If you have a big website with lots of media content, then you can use this feature to see only a particular type of media file. And here you can select the specific upload date to separate the media files. Next is the Bulk Select option. You can use this to select multiple files. And you can delete them easily. Then you can search for a particular media file by searching for it here. You can also edit these images by clicking on them. On the right-hand side, you can edit the title, add alternate text, or a caption. Then click here to edit the image. Under Scale Image, you can change the dimensions of the image. You can crop the image from here. And under the thumbnail settings, you can select where you want the changes to apply. And that's it. This is how you can navigate the WordPress media library. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.